like.
Yeah.
Started.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. My name is Gary from CNM Cyber. Kevin, will you kind of lead it, or will you moderate, or want me to do, or what?
Sure. I can. I can.
Yeah, I can. I can talk about you. Do you have any kind of any structure? What we want to go?
Yeah, we'll go through the tasks we created last week and
Yeah, can you share?
try any
Can you
updates that we have on each task.
can you share this tasks?
Sure. Let me share my
Yes, share your
screen.
screen, please. So to update, we work right now with Natalia on while you are sharing your screen. With
Mm-hmm.
Natalia and Contabo, we have like really hard time with Contabo
Mm-hmm.
um, because they kind of, at least like I don't understand their charges. They are telling like in emails one charge, on panel another charge, and in the bank it's kind of the third one. And plus kind of the new server which we got,
Yeah.
Natalia found out that we don't have resources as we want, the same which
Mm-hmm.
we use right now for Jitsi. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to talk to them as well. But
Okay.
and this is basically under, yeah, the first one, campus to review in progress.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah.
Um, I feel like when we did it with you, I feel we can chunk to more like a smaller tasks
Sure.
because technically within this like campus farm, there are many
Mm-hmm.
different projects.
Yeah.
So many different tasks. So we
Mm-hmm.
can possibly chunk them more. Um,
Okay.
for now, my plan is that maybe to move all MediaWiki instances to the lab farm
Mm-hmm.
um, because only me I'm using right now kind of this
Media wiki.
MediaWiki and the
Okay.
same model. It's kind of our legacy, but it is not like what we want.
Mm-hmm.
We need to decide what to do with Jitsi.
Yeah.
For now, it's working well.
Mm-hmm.
I have no complaints. I didn't find any issues for
Mm-hmm.
now, and we are
Okay.
using right now. So maybe we can keep Jitsi,
So we
but we
can
need to
like
optimize resources. Yes.
okay. So like we need to optimize resources for Jitsi.
Um. No, we right now we are working on the with the Contabo. If they give us
Mm-hmm.
what they promise us, we will
Yeah.
probably to keep it.
Okay.
With Jitsi, I feel like this is it's working right now. At least like it's working normally, like as it
Mm-hmm.
should be.
Okay.
So maybe we can make a task Jitsi to CNM talk or CNM talks because right now employable U is kind of a temporary domain name. We may
Mm-hmm.
kind of change to like a normal domain name and
Mm-hmm.
change the logo Jitsi,
Yeah.
but we need to have a logo. We need to decide where the Jitsi will be kind of settled.
Mm-hmm.
Um, yeah, so it's kind of this will be kind of a cool development, but we
All
need
right.
to decide where to move. Otherwise, I have no any problems with Jitsi.
Mm-hmm.
I have right now we have issues with Contabo, like to decide what we're working on.
Mm-hmm.
So what else? I explore this like
Mm-hmm.
Hostinger hosting
Mm-hmm.
for the websites.
Yeah.
Maybe consider to increase it.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, the deal which they offer is good.
All
Uh,
right.
we may expand. but it is difficult to find what they offer. Before
Mm-hmm.
you join, we had a discussion with Natalia, and she's asking me, "What do they
Mm-hmm.
offer?" And I'm saying it's difficult to find out because what they put on the website, they
Mm-hmm.
don't put many important details like data transfer speed,
Mm-hmm.
which is important for Jitsi, for instance,
Yeah.
or yeah, kind of if you click here, yeah, if you click on
Mm-hmm.
hosting,
Mm-hmm.
let's say, and click, let's say, cloud hosting, and they don't give scroll down. It will be like comparison
Yeah.
of their prices.
Wow.
And
Mm-hmm.
yeah, down, down, down. So $14 per month sounds like good, but it's like for 3 years. Yeah, you
Mm-hmm.
see, they give
Yeah.
kind of CPU,
Mm-hmm.
like
For
6
coding.
RAM.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the plan which we have right now, it's on the left. You need to put like on the scroll down a little bit. It will be, it's not scroll down. Yes, you see the arrow.
Mm-hmm. This one.
Yes, 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 correct. Good. Yeah,
Okay.
this
Yeah.
is our plan right now, currently.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Oh no, it is the plan which I'm thinking about. Yes. So like here they give like 3 RAM,
Mm-hmm.
but it's not clear. For instance, like for like a bandwidth, like their data transfer speed. They don't give
Correct.
any number here,
Mm-hmm.
and probably I need to write them and ask. And it's also yeah, there's like a few questions.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I purchased right now the business, the normal business,
Okay.
but I have like yeah. If you go to hosting, click again hosting on the top.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, put like web hosting, web hosting. Yes, so kind of I took for this business. Yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
took kind of to play with this business.
Yeah.
And the same plan which we've seen before on the cloud,
Mm-hmm.
it's on the
Mm-hmm.
right. It's on the right. But here they don't mention any CPU or at all. No CPU,
Yeah. RAM.
no any kind of details. No RAM.
Correct.
So like, but I found like I put like 15 websites with no
Mm-hmm.
pictures. It
Mm-hmm.
take like 5%. So I doubt, of course, what they put like 100 websites, 300.
Mm-hmm.
It's a fancy, it's a fancy
Yeah.
statement
Mm-hmm.
because like it depends on what website. One website can be easily be more like 200 gig of storage.
Yeah.
Um, so I'm working on this too.
Okay.
The big advantage, what I see, it's like dedicated IP address. If you go back
Mm-hmm.
oh, you already closed. Yes, yeah. You see, we don't have a dedicated IP address, and right
Mm-hmm.
now to host a new website, we need to do like changes on name servers. So we
Yeah.
cannot do. We give them the website. We can give them like IP address,
Mm-hmm.
and we can give them the domain name, and we cannot do anything else there because
Yeah.
we cannot add like more domains or whatever. So it's
Mm-hmm.
really like it's inconvenient. That is why I'm thinking to move to business possibly.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
But
Okay.
it's a cool idea to have like even like WordPress if they
Mm-hmm.
can handle WordPress.
Yeah.
Um, because we had like tons of issues with WordPress. We had
Mm-hmm.
like viruses, comments, kind of whatever. And if they take all this WordPress
Mm-hmm.
from us,
Mm-hmm.
uh, and I guess like we will invite our students to WordPress. WordPress will be our primary activity for school kids. And if we can outsource for them for like $9 per month, oh my
Mm-hmm.
goodness, it sounds like really attractive.
Yeah.
It sounds like a really, really, really attractive.
Yeah.
Right, Natalia? What do
Right?
you think? Yeah. Okay, Kevin, go with your plan. What you?
Okay, yeah. So, like the tasks we have here that are in progress, we are to get like updates on each that has updates to share, and we can go
Hmm.
from there. Yeah, I'll go
So
first.
yeah,
Hmm.
go first.
Okay. Yeah, like what I was working on this week, apart from the training, I did CNM Hub. I don't know where this is.
But you explain that you right now you decided to call HumHub, which is social, CNM
Mhm.
Hub. So
Yeah. Oh
like,
no, yeah.
and because
Yeah, we
Natalia is
did.
not aware,
Sure.
because social is like too generic, Natalia, and
Hmm.
because of we want to use HumHub,
Correct.
Kevin decided to play with this word hub and make it like our CNM Hub.
Yeah.
It's kind of a new name. So it's not no longer Setka, but it will. It should be CNM Hub, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah. So we'll also need some assistance with that, like changing this name Setka to CNM Hub. Yeah. So this
But
is
we
the
we,
view
we, we, we need to have a logo
and logo. Yeah.
or kind of something like to put it there.
Correct.
Or maybe we can write for now until we don't have logo. At least
Yeah.
like Setka doesn't make kind of any sense for now.
Hmm.
to to any person who is outside of their of Ukraine, Belarus, or Russia.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the view that our visitors to CNM Hub will have, like the
Hmm.
unregistered users. We were trying to create like a user experience where unregistered users can also access some spaces and get some information before they register. So,
Hmm.
like the volunteer space, this is accessible to all members, to all participants, whether you come from the website and you have not registered, you'll be able to visit this space. The text in here is not what we are going to use in our production site. This is like just for these developments. Also,
Can Yeah,
mm,
it should be. Uh, Look right now on the left in the main body it says no public content displayed found. So
correct.
it means that it should be some place where instead of because what you understand like new spaces,
Hmm.
volunteer, and you saying oh it's volunteer space. When
Hmm.
I see on the screen, I see
Hmm.
VS. I don't see volunteer space, right?
Yeah. So,
And
yeah.
yeah, it should be kind of something on their like this two spaces, welcome space and volunteer space.
Mhm.
They probably need to be like on this like a main body.
Yeah, so to answer your question, like what we'll do, we will take this link since you can access this piece whether you're registered or not. We will share this link like on the website and on the meetup, so you don't have to come. You'll not land here like your first landing.
Yeah.
This will be your
I
first
Yeah,
landing.
it's a good idea.
There
It's
will
a
be.
good idea. But what if someone landed here? Anyway, we can help this person just to find
Mhm.
where you can edit. It should be because kind of their functionality is there.
Yeah.
So like kind of what the system tells you that
Hmm.
we will like to show any public content here, but
Okay.
since we find no public content, so we
Hmm.
could keep it kind of we keep it empty. And also when it's empty,
Hmm.
it doesn't look attractive. It should be
Correct.
something on like beside the name like CNM Hub. It
Hmm.
should be
Sounds.
something like in the body attractive, either a
Yeah.
picture or explanation what it is, or
Hmm.
if this is kind of their the official like page, it should be
Hmm.
something like
Yeah,
more closely related to kind of people for user experience, right?
correct, correct. That is correct. Yeah.
Okay, continue.
Yeah, so also to mention on something on that, we need like the experiential instance for HumHub so that we can test this different.
Yeah, put it in the tasks. Put it in the task
Yeah.
for Natalia to
Okay.
have kind of whatever to play with, and she
Correct.
will put it on the lab.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Kind of no high availability. Like she will
Mm-hmm.
make like a VM, like a virtual machine with a
Yeah.
HumHub copy,
Mm-hmm.
which will be not production, but you can play with this. Yes.
Interesting. Yeah. Yeah.
Put it as a
Okay.
separate task. Put it as a separate task.
Do like a task.
And it will be, how we call it? Hub lab. Hub lab. Hub lab
Yeah.
to launch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. All right. Okay. Yes. So also, like on our meetup, we'll be sharing this link for the welcome
Hmm.
space. So
Cool.
whenever you come from the meetup, you'll land here directly. This is accessible
Hmm.
to anyone who has this link, but for you
I
to
see
go
that.
to,
I
Mhm.
see that you didn't. You are not registered yet.
Yeah, I'm not
And you can.
registered. Yeah.
Okay,
So
that's
for you
cool.
to proceed, you need to register.
Yeah, as we spoke, it's just like the
Hmm.
beginning, right? We
Yeah.
need to make kind of really cool like outlook, like
Correct.
topics. Go
Hmm.
there, go to wiki, go to files. You want to find policies. Go to
Hmm.
files or pictures. If you want to go to documentation, go to the wiki
Hmm.
and stream. Probably I will stream. It should be a way to rearrange the space, and the stream I will put instead of kind of the main body to the right, somewhere in the column to the right, I would
Hmm.
say.
Yeah.
Because stream for this particular place, stream
Hmm.
is
Hmm.
not important. Kind of the main body is important.
Yeah.
I'm
About like
someone who is,
this.
yeah, continue.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah. So these are all under development, and well, one thing I also like to point out is like that unregistered users won't be able to access some other spaces like basics of what's next. So for you to be able to access this space, you need to have registered on Outlet. And you also mentioned
Okay.
that we need to like create a way for people just to register on CNM Hub rather than having to go back to Outlet to register so that you can come. Also, like
This, yeah, this will be a cool idea. I don't know whether Natalia can do it or not, but
Mhm,
I've seen like in a couple places. Natalia,
mhm,
we can do so instead of sending people to Applet, we can set up like a registration here, right? So like people will be, let's say, got to, let's say, HumHub, like CNM Hub, right? Click
yeah,
like sign up,
mhm,
and they may not even see that they got to Applet. Or we can take all the data. So, like, let's say they will either move to Applet or even not move to Applet, like in terms of domain wise.
mhm,
Applet will the Applet functionality will be inside of like HomeHub. So people don't need to go to the separate link to Applet to register. They will just click here, like sign up or register or
yeah,
something, and they will
mhm,
get to to Applet. Yeah, right now it's like join the network.
mhm,
So it is kind of for people who
Yeah,
already,
have an
yeah, who
account.
already registered. But it
Yeah.
should be another button to sign in, to sign up, and people can click there and create their profile there.
Hmm.
Natalia,
Okay.
did you get what I'm saying? Natalia's mic is off.
Mhm.
Anyway, okay, let's go.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So that's all I wanted to share. Let's proceed.
Hmm.
Mm. Yeah. Let's talk about. You were to share with me WordPress, right? So that I can be able to access these WordPresses and see how we can move them, how we can develop them further.
No, kind of we discussed that I cannot do anything with I cannot do anything with the Hostinger my account.
Hmm.
Right now they don't give me any chance. I'm logging in right now.
Hmm.
They don't give me any option to move anyone else. Maybe I'm missing something.
Hmm.
No, I don't see. What they offer to me,
Hmm.
what I can do this. Analytics. No, nothing. What
Hmm.
I can do
Yeah.
is that I can create a WordPress instance for every of the websites.
Hmm.
And then I will invite from the WordPress.
Hmm.
When we have the WordPress, then I can put like as many people
Yeah.
as as needed. It's not
Okay.
about future work,
Hmm.
but I need to set up this WordPress instances. But
Hmm.
at the same time,
Hmm.
do you have time to manage WordPress? Any instance? I can put like a couple of them.
Yeah.
Uh, let's do this way.
Hmm.
I will try to switch the hosting plan
Okay.
this week, and
Hmm.
when I succeed
Hmm.
to switch to another plan,
Yeah.
then I will set up some websites. Which one? Which one you want? Future of
Hmm.
work,
Yeah. Future. Let's
future,
start with future of work is AI.
future of work with
Let's
AI,
start. Yeah.
and I can, yes, and I can make you. You see, yeah, and I can make you kind of an admin. Yes, okay.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
The thing is, if we want to, I
Hmm.
don't like. I did WordPress many years ago. It
Hmm.
changed kind of since that time. So
Yeah.
right now, let's say if we talk about e-commerce,
Hmm.
so I can do. I don't know how to do it on WordPress. So I kind of previously I set up this e-commerce on their own website builder, their
Hmm.
own kind of website builder, and
Okay.
they cannot and they don't allow me to invite anyone else.
Hmm.
So it could be some other website, but I got it. I got kind of the core idea. Yes,
Okay.
we are working.
Yeah.
Let's finish with with the hosting and
Hmm.
then resolve this.
Okay. Yeah. I think those are all the updates I had for this week.
Okay, let's scroll. What is in progress? So we
Hmm.
will next time when we meet with you on Wednesday, we will
Yeah.
chunk to smaller tasks.
Correct.
Uh, so they will be kind of more visible. So we will be moving them.
Yeah. Yeah.
Um, I don't believe like Natalia. Natalia is still. I see her mic is off. So I don't believe that she did anything on GitLab because we
Mm-hmm.
were busy with the Contabo.
Okay.
Um, what else? Scroll down. Cost to save. This is the policy. Did you do this
Yeah.
policy? We implement this policy. It must be somewhere. It must be published somewhere on the
Mm-hmm.
special place, kind of cost savers, cost savers place, or but it should be published somewhere, maybe on the
Mm-hmm.
wiki in the HumHub,
Yeah.
and then you will close this task.
Great. Yeah.
Scroll
Yeah.
down, scroll down, yeah, scroll down. Elementor is kind of the same with the WordPresses.
Mm-hmm.
Jitsi,
Mm-hmm.
you work on the wiki.
Yeah. This is, I believe, this is wiki on CNM Hub.
Hmm.
Yeah. This is still in progress. I'm still handling it.
Correct.
So, yeah. As I develop the user experience, I'll be also reviewing this and how the pages
Hmm.
can be shared to the public.
Okay, cool. Cool. So we don't have anything completed this week. we need to chunk to smaller tasks because
Correct.
this
Yeah.
is like this is not
Mhm.
tasks. This is like projects.
Yeah.
So instead of projects, we will have tasks. Then we will need moving something completed, not
Yeah.
completed, not started.
Correct.
Okay.
Mhm.
What else? What else?
Approximate. All right.
For the record, kind of, I will
Mhm.
just quickly review what another discussions which we had with
Mhm.
Natalia. We
Yes.
have like a vast resources right now, vast like amount of resources,
Mhm.
and which we are not using. Kind of, I would say we need to optimize. That is why I
Oh.
put like review. So we
Mhm.
are working right now on the idea maybe to shrink Contabo or optimize Contabo, kind of put
Mhm.
it down.
Yeah.
Eventually, we will need to retire DigitalOcean completely.
Mhm.
When we have, like, when our proximate cluster is
Mhm.
stable, we will
Yeah.
move Applet to proximate cluster and we'll
Mhm.
get rid from DigitalOcean.
Okay.
Um, Yeah, that's kind of this is the basic idea.
Mhm.
What else? Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Natalia is back, I see.
Yeah,
Mhm.
I'm here.
Okay, so do you have anything to add or
Yeah.
ask or?
Yeah, like we were asking if it's possible to have registration on CNM Hub rather than Outlet.
Yeah,
I
there are
This is
two different.
yeah.
Yeah, by the way, there are two different ways. One
Mm-hmm.
way is that, let's say, HumHub will collect the data and through API send it to Applet.
Mm-hmm.
It is more complicated. The easiest solution is to add on HumHub, to add a button, sign up or kind of
Yeah.
register, whatever it will be kind of the most. And when the people click this button, they will get to Applet registration page, which is, I believe, like easy, pretty much easier to make, right, Natalia?
right. I try to do it and we'll say later about results.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah.
Anything else? If not, so let's stop our recording. Thank you so much, and let's
Thank
see.
you.
I like how Jitsi works. It didn't kick
Yeah,
out only one time. Right now, it's working pretty stably.
correct.
So I'm clicking on stop recording.
Mhm.